Hi there, boaters. This is David with David's Yacht Service, and I have a nice little surprise here for you today. This is an engine's been with me for a couple years because the owner who gave it to me full of water got really sick and almost died, and took him a long time to get well. Anyway, I wanted to just share it with you. Motor runs very nice, starts immediately. I'm going to hit the start button and you're going to see how well she runs. And I'm going to reach down here for it for a second. And then we're back up. And here we go. And I've got a dry stack muffler up here, and we can follow that up and feel every little pulse coming out. Just bam, 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 bam. Very quiet, very smooth. Got a few things yet to detail, but I wanted to get that available for him to see. I'll let him know that she's almost ready. And with that, we'll say goodbye for now.